Are you tired of an unwanted sprint cluttering your Jira backlog? Maybe you created one by accident, or you inherited a project with old sprints you need to clean up. Either way, you just want it gone. But the delete option feels hidden, and you're worried you might lose all your issues in the process. Good news is, you can delete a sprint in seconds without losing anything. Learn how right now. I'll show you exactly where to click, from opening your project to confirming the deletion. Follow along, and I promise it's much simpler than it looks. So start by logging into your Jira instance. This is the same place you always go, just your normal Jira homepage. There's nothing special here, no secret settings, just get signed in and you're ready. Now navigate to your project from the left side panel. You'll see a list of all your projects there. Find the one with that stubborn sprint you want to remove. Click on it and it'll open up right in front of you. And here's the thing, I've cleaned up dozens of Jira projects myself, and this is always the first step. You need to be inside the project that actually owns the sprint. From the project view, go to the Backlog. This is usually in the sidebar on the left, and it might say Backlog or Board, depending on your view settings. Just look for the one labeled Backlog and click it. This is where all your unfinished work lives, including the sprint you want to get rid of. Now, find the sprint you want to delete. It'll be listed in the Backlog section, probably with a name and a date range.
Once you've spotted it, look over to the right side of that sprint bar. You'll see 3 little dots, the horizontal ellipsis menu. Click on those 3 dots. This is where Jira hides the action menu for each sprint. In my experience, this is the step most people miss, so pay attention here. From the menu that pops up, select Delete Sprint. It's usually near the bottom of the list, so don't rush. Just scroll down a bit and you'll see it. Click on that option. Finally, Jira will ask you to confirm. A dialog box will appear, probably saying something like, "Are you sure you want to delete this sprint?" with a big red delete button. Now, here's the really important part. Jira will tell you what happens to the issues inside that sprint. In almost every case, they just get moved back to the backlog. They don't get deleted, they don't get lost, they just go back to being unassigned tasks. So go ahead and click Delete to confirm. And that's it. The sprint is gone, your backlog is clean, and all your issues are safe and sound, waiting for you to put them where they belong. No data lost, no mess, no stress. Thanks for following along.